Hello everyone, this is Lucy from Magic Laser. Today I will introduce the daily maintenance of the pulse clean machine. Check that wireless no loose miss of the power wiring. We recommend you to clean the dust inside the machine once a week, especially the electronic control spots. Many customers may ask what does the spare part of the pulse clean machine. The answer is the protect lens. They are like the battery in toys. And when the clean effect is going worse, that means because the protective lens are damaged. So we need to change it regularly. When you change the protective lens, you need to make sure we are doing in a clean and dirty environment without any dust. Our pulse clean machine is a little expensive than the continually clean machine. Please remember, after use it, put it down gently. Don't throw it away.